In this video, we are going deep about Kertexcoin.com. Are you thinking about using Kertexcoin.com to buy or trade crypto? Let's talk about whether it's actually legit or just another scam. On the surface, Kertexcoin claims to offer a fast and decentralized platform where you can trade over 100 cryptocurrencies. It promotes easy access from anywhere in the world and says you can go from zero to crypto in just minutes. Sounds impressive, right? But once you dig a little deeper, things start to look suspicious. The site claims it's been active since 2017, but the domain was only created in May 2025. That's a big red flag. Why lie about something as basic as your launch date? On top of that, there's zero information about who's behind the platform. No names, no team bios, no company details, not even a support email. For a crypto exchange, that kind of secrecy is troubling. It also claims to have top-tier security certifications like ISO and PCI DSS, but provides no proof or verification. Real platforms usually link to certificates or provide audit details. Kertexcoin, nothing. And if the site design feels familiar, it's because it looks nearly identical to other flagged scam websites like Kertexcoin.com and fzacoins.com. Another issue, no one seems to be talking about this site. There are no reviews on Reddit, Trustpilot, or any major crypto forums. That's strange for a supposedly global exchange. Plus, the promises they make, quick and easy profits with no explanation, are classic scam tactics. There's also no licensing or regulatory info anywhere on the site. With all these red flags, it's hard to trust anything Kertexcoin says. Be cautious and do your research before putting your money into any crypto platform. Thanks for watching.